The City of Independence on Friday announced an independent special counsel to investigate overtime practices within the city's police department. Former Jackson County Chief Deputy Prosecutor Dan Nelson will lead the review of the police department's use of overtime. The past week, KMBC9 Investigates has continued to uncover new details about how supervisors signed off on overtime slips to pay officers for construction projects and remodeling at Independence Police Headquarters. The city says Nelson's independent investigation has started. City manager Zach Walker called for that investigation last week after he says a whistleblower came forward to talk about the potential misuse of overtime within the police department for construction work.